Miss Dayan. Dayan, nandiyan ka ba, Dayan? Dayan, come here. Kahit simple babati lang kung nahihiya ka, Dayan. Palapakan po natin.
Dayan, kapag muna ko kamo.
Okay, yung mga dapat naming malaman, ibulgar mo na. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday you. And more wishes.
More blessings. Good health.
Ayan po mga kaibigan, mas mahaba pinaghintay natin kaysa sa sinabi niya. Miss Annie Viola! Message, please. And, ano ko ba si Colonel? Colonel Candido. And Mrs. Betchy Melia. Miss Betchy. Palapakan po natin. Ayan, ayan. At binigyan na po ng blessing ng asawa. Ayan, ayan. Sabihin mo na yung dapat mong bulgar. Good evening po.
Mark, happy 18th birthday. Ang ano ko lang, naalala ko lang sa ating friendship, nag-start po yan kasi mag-classmates ang mga anak namin sa NGC. And then one time, matal kami ng party ni Lauren sa house nila. So, nag-umpisa na yung friendship hanggang sa magkasal-kasal na, hanggang sa nagdalaga ng mga bata. And then, Christine nga said that nung maliit daw siya, akala niya raw auntie niya kami at uncle niya kami. Kasi akala niya kamag-anak kami. Kasi lagi kami nandun sa party mo. I value our friendship, Mars. You're one of a kind. And I love you. I hope you stay happy and in good health. And kung may mga burden ka, just give it up to the Lord. And pray and believe that all your prayers will be answered and all the desires of your heart will be given to you by God. Thank you, Mare, for the time and for the friendship.
Thank you so much. Okay, and the next one will be Mrs. Wida Buwan. Nida Buwan. Miss Nida? Okay. Nasa dulong bahagi ng daigdig. Nida, come here. Nida, kung medyo nahiya kayo, kahit simpleng pagbati lang. Ayan po, paraanin po natin. Ayan po siya. Happy New Year sa iyo, Nida. Naka-polka-dots ka pa. Kung kay Patsoy.
Happy birthday. Haba pa ang lang.
And now, Ms. Rose Pelita Gadudo. Rose. Rose Pelita. Andiyan si Rose? Please advise me, kung nandiyan si Rose? Andiyan po, andiyan po. Ready na ba si Rose? Habang pumapasok si Rose, tawagin po natin si Mrs. Lala Buwan. Lala. Sige, dali mo na yung baggage mo. Sino sa iyo si Lala? Bruwan, okay? Thanks for the question.
Happy birthday. Sana hindi ka magkasakit at lagi kang maging malakas. Happy birthday.
Okay, Mrs. Aning Guevara. Aning? Asan si Aning? And Mr. Joselito San Miguel? Mr. Joe San Miguel? Palakpakan po natin. Okay. At ito muna si Miss Aning. Apo, Miss Aning? Magandang gabi po.
Ang ulitin. Happy Golden. Wish ko lang sa'yo. Good luck, good health, and God bless.
At pansinin po ninyo ang bag ni Mami Aning. Parang bag ng Koryo. Maraming package. And of course, ito na, Sir Joe San Miguel. Palakpakan po natin. At sa mga tatanong po, ito yung ating participation sa Hidden Treasures. Ito na po yun. Nirevise lang po natin ng content.
Hello. Ano ba ito? Happy birthday. I wish you good health, long life, and happy life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Janet Gregorio. And to be represented by Catherine. May konti natin message si Miss Janet. Okay, Janet, do the honors. Makinig po tayo.
Dear Mother, when I received the invitation celebrating your birthday, I did not realize it was to celebrate your golden years of love, fun, family, and friends. I knew then that this must be a special occasion knowing that your guests were mostly the people that you move around with. Receive my gift of knickknacks, in short, sari-sari. Pick from different sources to make up yourself inside and out. I had chosen to give you beauty materials from hair to body to fingernails to your toes because they symbolize the different friends, different personalities that you have right now. A hairbrush to brush away tangles of your hair just like a friend to brush it away sorrow and make you happy. A clip-end headband to accent your hair just like a friend that keeps your pretty every day with a big joke and a big laugh. A nail polish of 10 different colors, just like romantic friends, vivid colors and meaning to your life. Different colors are different characteristics of your friends. May mabuti, may masama, may matanda, may bata, may nagmamahal, may kaaway, but in total, when you put them all together, they make up your life colorful and meaningful. There are a lot more stuff inside this bag. Things I personally had chosen, and I want you to discover them one by one, just like treasures. Do not wonder why I particularly gave you them each. Each of them is useful, just like you being very important to each and every one of us. I do not celebrate your golden years, but I do celebrate the day I met you because then you became a golden treasure. Thank you, Malu. Happy birthday. Janet.
Thank you so much, Catherine. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Ms.